Hello, friends. Welcome to Stocks for Retail Investors. As a retail investor, our target is to save, create wealth, and earn. Do not lose your hard earned money in gambling. If you are interested to get more recommendations, then click on subscribe and bell icon. Do your research before investing in any stock. Also, let us know your insight in comment. Before proceeding with our discussion on the new stock today, we will get a understanding about the performance of our past stocks. So last Friday, I told you to buy TCS because it was in the oversold zone, and companies like TCS, you will rarely get a chance to buy in the oversold zone. And also on Friday, 29th October, it was showing an inverted hammer. If you don't know what is inverted hammer, then you can Google it and find out. So inverted hammer is an inverted hammer bullish. Yes, the hammer is a bullish reversal pattern which signals that a stock is nearing a bottom in the downtrend. I just Googled it. So to know more about, you can definitely go search in the Google inverted hammer. So exactly after this, it has started moving in the uptrends, and I'm still holding. The next comes to the sale, as I told you on Sunday. That sale will be there will be a jump in sale, and so similarly, I have bought sale on Monday immediately. That once it opened, the market opened, I bought it at around 123 to 24. Between that range I bought it, and yes, it went to a high of 129. uh, and today it has corrected a bit, but that is just a part of this. Yesterday it has moved a quite high, so around I think 10-12%. So that's why today there is some profit booking, but there is no need to worry, it will again move much higher, so I'm holding sale. The third is the Take Mahindra that I made last week. It's in negative, but it will also move soon. No need to worry about that. Now today we will discuss on Tata Power. Why we are discussing? Because the quarterly result has come out. As I always say that I choose a stock which is fundamentally strong, and there are three reasons why we are discussing this stock today. It is one is a fundamental strength, second quarterly result, and three is the chart. So the fundament first go to the fundamental strength, understand what this company is about. So this is the Tata Power website. So as you can see, you can definitely go through their website and understand what are the services they provide, and that this is the analysis report of their last quarter. Since this quarter have not this kind of report has not yet generated, only their results have got. So it is Tata Power is one of the largest power generating companies in India. So this is a map. So Tata Power generates in both all the kinds of energy, the renewable energy, the conventional energy generations, as solar energies, um, wind energies, all kind of energies. Here you can see, here it is given. And small, thermal, hydro, waste heat, wind, solar, distribution, transmission. There are more details in this report. It's a 412-page report, so you can go to check this report in the BAC India website and go through their details. And next come to their see the P ratio. Yes, this is the P ratio I was checking, comparing with its peers. The P ratio is the highest of Tata Power. Yes, it is highest, but no need to worry because since it is the largest power company in India, so definitely its P ratio is also high. Now here comes it's a large cap. It's a large cap with a market cap of 71,000 crore. Power transmission and distribute utilities is power transmission and distribution. Don't worry about that. Uh, the dividend yield is 0.70%, less than the sector dividend yield 1.53. Next, come to this quarterly report. Yes, I've got this report yesterday night in mail as I'm holding this stock. So here you can see the income, this total income. Here you can see the total income has improved from June quarter. June quarter it was 2,244 crore, and in this quarter, September quarter, it has increased to 2,364 crores. And year from last year, 30th September, it was 1,782 crores. So it has definitely increased quarter to quarter. And if you see the half year end result, then 30th September 2020 it was 2,285 crore, and this year it is 4,609 crores. So definitely the income has improved. If you see the net profit for the period for the continuing operations, so that has also improved a lot. These are all the details given. I'm not going through all of those details. Total asset, here you can see the total asset is 42,506. uh, these are all the result details. Now the important thing is come to the technical chart. I'm already holding this share for a long time. First, let's come to the monthly chart. As I was telling you about its fundamental strength. So this is the monthly chart. You can see from May 2020, it touched its lowest. So here you can see in May it was around 29. So almost now it has touched and it went to a high of 28266. So almost 9 times in a year it went to a high of 9 times. Now if you see the daily chart, the daily chart, yes, I'm holding it for a long time. I have bought it around 100 this year, beginning, I think around February, March, I bought. So 101, I was holding it since then. There was not much movement, but still I was holding since it is it's good fundamental company. I was holding, and it suddenly took a jump from 138 at this from the last quarter, 30th September. To get a performance, to get a good jump, you have to at least wait for a quarter in a company, in a good fundamental company. Other because they, because you have to wait for the result to know about its performance. Only when the result comes, then other investors also comes into this stop. So that's why, even though it was not moving, I was holding it since March. And again it went to a high, and again have had a correction since for the last few days. Last week there was a correction in the Nifty, so all the stocks were falling, and similar to this also, Tata Power also came down. So yesterday I am buying this stock today, uh, after checking their results, Q2 results, and it is quite good. So I bought it again uh, at 225 in the morning, 225 to 26, or at this range. I think 227. Sorry, not 226. I went 227 to 228. Between that, I bought it today, and definitely, if you do not have Tata Power, you can buy it at this range. and there is a quite a long range. The next resistance will be around this 220 sorry 265 will be the next resistance, and if it crosses with volumes, then there will be much jump in it. I And those who are holding it already, they can also accumulate at this range. So this is what about Tata Power. I have bought it today at between this 227 to 28 range. I'm not showing you the minute chart or the hourly chart today because I'm holding it for a longer period. Let's see, at least I will see another quarter, hold it for another quarter, and then I will, depending on its performance and depending on the chart, I will think about doing a partial profit booking or not, or accumulating. As I always say, do not invest your entire money at a one go. Break the investment in 3 to 5 parts. As I already have done an investment in March, so this is my second installment. I'm doing investing at this moment. I've kept another in installment. If it falls or goes up, depending on that, I will invest it. Thank you.